shit. Yeah, this is better chicken, man.
Damn. Well, as long as it works though, right?
Well, they could have probably picked a little better pallet instead of a rotted one, but
Yeah, probably. That's all right. Yeah.
You want it in front of your car? Or
No, man, you can if you can just drop. You can drop it in this parking spot right here.
check it out.
Woo. Not too excited about that pallet. Not going to be able to tell the condition of the pan until we actually get it back to the shop and take it off this pallet, but from what I could feel, the pan doesn't feel super damaged or anything, but man, Detroit Axle, step your pallet game up because this thing looks like trash.
Good deal. Well,
Thank you. Hey man, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rahina here. Welcome back to the Passion Blade YouTube channel. As you saw, we just took delivery of our new 4L60E from Detroit Axle, and everything from the ordering process to the delivery was pretty pleasant with Detroit Axle, but I'm not too happy about the actual delivery because transmission, it's just wrapped in a bag, but as you can see, the pallet that they double stacked, two really cruddy pallets, and yeah, this is not the way I was hoping to receive my transmission. I was hoping it was going to come in a nice box or something, but as you can see, this is how it showed up. It does look very clean, does look new. Other than that, everything else just looks all right, I guess, but hopefully there's no damage to the transmission pan, because that seems to be where we actually poked through on the pallet itself. So the only way to actually figure out whether or not we have some damage down there is to get this thing off the pallet and put her on her side and check the pan. So I'll check back with you guys at the shop. Alrighty guys, so we're back at the shop, got the Trailblazer here. She's on stance and she's ready to get worked on. We also have our new 4L60E here from Detroit Axle. And guys, I know in the last clip we saw this thing on some destroyed pallets, but I'm very happy to say I did not find any damage from shipping. This thing is absolutely mint, and she's ready to be installed. Only thing I can say from the delivery that may have been damaged was just the paint on the pan. The pan has been painted black, and some of the black paint rubbed off on the wood on the broken pallet. So other than that though, no dings or dents on the pan, and everything else on the transmission looking freaking mint. So that's ready to go. And along with this installation, we're also going to be upgrading to the Durali 8000 series transmission cooler. From factory, the Trailblazer's transmission cooling system is not good. So hopefully this transmission cooler will do its job and keep the temps down on this thing for future tows and long drives, etc. Other than that, got the Trailblazer. Like I said, she's on stands already, but nothing has been touched yet. So I got to get the old transmission out. Not really excited about that because it seems like a very daunting task, and it's been a long time since I've pulled a 4L60E. I've only done it once in my life. Never thought I'd have to do it again, but here we are. So, without further ado, let's get today's video started. And just like that, we have a 4L60E completely removed from my Chevy Trailblazer. Real quick, wanted to give a quick shout out to my girlfriend for coming through yesterday and operating the jack while I helped guide and lower this transmission out of my truck. Thank you, Allegra. Love you a lot. Appreciate you. If it wasn't for you helping me out yesterday, I would have had a really rough time. So thank you very much. But anyway, I got UPS on the way right now, coming to pick this transmission up, and I got to get her racked up on this pallet right here, strap her down, attach a bill of lading, and play the waiting game for UPS to come pick this thing up. So let's get this thing on the pallet. And that, my friends, that right there is how you secure a transmission to a pallet. 2 good straps and 1 healthy pallet, and she's good to go. She's not going anywhere. Now guys, before I close this video out, I wanted to let you know I'll be making a couple more videos throughout this transmission install. One being a Trailblazer specific transmission cooler upgrade video, and then the other one obviously being the rebuilt 4L60E install. Now let me give you a quick little overview on this transmission. This is a rebuilt unit from Detroit Axle. Supposedly it has all of the upgraded internals that you'd want to put in a 4L60E to help it shift better and make it a little bit more reliable. On top of that, has a brand new torque converter, and the main selling point for me on this was that it was $1,300 shipped to my door. $150 of it will be reimbursed to me once I ship this one back to them. And once Detroit Axle receives the old transmission, it starts a 3-year unlimited mile warranty for the new one, which is absolutely huge, guys. The majority of the shops that I called with for quotes or rebuilds or anything for this transmission initially, they told me 12 months or 12,000 miles or 18 months and 18,000 miles. And guys, honestly, I put well over 12,000 miles on my truck every year, and those warranties were too short-lived for me. I'd rather take the 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Anything goes wrong with it, I will send it right back to Detroit Axle. They told me that they will cover everything short of the labor on it if anything were to fail on it. So I am completely cool with that because I am the labor on this thing. But anyway, guys, with that being said, very excited to get this unit installed into my Trailblazer within the next week. If you guys are excited to see how well this unit works out for me and if it's going to be a good option for you to go with, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for future content. Also, if you haven't already, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel grow. And until the next one, guys, I'll see you then. Peace.